This is Mustafa Driving School. We got lovely
Satnav Driving Lesson UK. Student April.
Doing Satnav driving. This is the first time she's doing a Satnav driving. Right. So her test is coming up soon, but we're just doing a test route following a Satnav. And if you got tests coming up or just want to improve your driving, this video might useful be for you. Right, have you got any question before we go?
No.
Good, so drive when ready, the Satnav is on, and let's go. Okay. Thank you. What's that noise, April?
Oh, the indicator.
Thank you.
After 300 yards, go left on the roundabout, first exit. Go left on the roundabout, first exit. Ahead, keep right. After 300 yards, keep right, then turn right.
So we're turning right out of traffic light, please.
Keep right, then turn right. Turn right. After 200 yards, go right on the roundabout, second exit. Go right on the roundabout, second exit.
At this roundabout, we took the second exit right. She could have used the left lane because the sign allowed it.
After 300 yards, go right on the roundabout, third exit. Go right on the roundabout, third exit. After 300 yards, cross the roundabout, second exit. Cross the roundabout, second exit. After 300 yards, go right on the roundabout, third exit.
She was about to change
Go
lanes,
right on the
but a car
roundabout,
was
third
too close
exit.
behind, so I had to intervene.
Okay. When it's safe. When it's safe.
Take the exit.
Okay. Just pull them to the left here, please. Yes. Don't worry about the driving. Just go forward. Just go forward, yes. Go forward. And then stop here. Thank you. To the car. And relax. Okay. Good. How's that little driving from the test center towards Waltamabi?
Scary.
What makes it scary?
I think it's because the Satnav, normally when I'm with you, you know when you say you're turning right soon, I think you always sort of remind me to be in the right lane, but with the Satnav it doesn't do that. So it just would say in a few yards or few miles turning right. But yeah, I guess it's just remembering, planning ahead basically. Yeah. And then I think it was that black Volkswagen that was behind me. I just don't think I judged the speed properly, because you're not really supposed to be slowing down when you're gonna change into the right lane.
Correct.
But I thought he was gonna let me go, but he didn't.
Yeah. Okay. There's anything you could have done differently? Anything you could have done differently?
I think another thing I remembered, when coming out of the test centre and I took that first left, and then it says turn right. I could have turned right a bit earlier. I think I only turned right when I actually realised, oh, there's another lane. You know, where there's a box junction. So I could have turned right earlier. So it did tell me earlier.
Yeah. Anything else?
I think I was drifting a bit on my lane. I think maybe there was a speed, I can't remember what road, but I wasn't really doing the speed limit.
No, the speed was okay.
Was it fine?
It was okay. Speed okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so shall I give you feedback? Is that okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. So most of the thing you picked up yourself already, which is good, right?
Very important feedback. Please
change our
stay
lane
until the end to learn
as
something.
soon as you pass the industrial estate. As soon as you go uphill, from speed change from 40 to 30, and you got the industrial estate where the yellow box junction is faded a little bit on the floor, yes. Then before you reach the traffic light, yes. So there you could have changed your lane a little bit earlier to go to the right side. Then, okay, after that, as soon as you turn right to the traffic light, there's a two lane come to one lane. It's merging. There was a Tesco van next to you. Yeah, so it's originally one lane. Yeah, Mullison Avenue as you're coming from the test center. Originally one lane. As you get to traffic light, one lane is split to four lane. Left lane goes left only. Lane 2 goes straight. Lane 3 goes ahead and the right. Lane 4 goes right only. So good, you're on another lane 4, yes? Then as soon as you turn to the traffic light, that two lane comes to one. You didn't check your left mirror there. Okay? So you got to be aware of the road merging, road marking signs, yeah? Okay, after that, so that's a, you must check that left mirror there. Then after that, we approach to the little roundabout. We're turning right, second exit, okay? There. Number one, you signal too early, because before you approach to the roundabout, you got another road and you got the entrance of Lidl. So you got to wait until you finish that two right turn first, then make a signal right. Then at the Lidl roundabout, on the approach, the left lane allows you to turn right as well. Nothing wrong being on the right lane. You can be on the right lane. You, instead of the left lane, you went to the right lane. If you were in the left lane, you make your life a lot easier. Because when you're coming back, at that point you're drifting, because you're coming to the left and your nose of the car went back to the right side. So if I were you, I would stay. I would slow on the approach, look at the road markings, even if I'm going right, because the left lane allow you to go right. So stay in the left lane, make your life easier, then you can turn. Okay? So as I said, if you be in the right lane, doesn't matter. You can't be in the right lane, but what would you do after? Yes, made a signal, and then make sure if somebody next to you or not. Okay. Then after that, once you pass the little roundabout, your signal was on for a quite while. You have not cancelled your signal, so make sure you cancel your signal. Okay? Good. So then after that, you managed to change your lane to the right side, because we're taking the third exit towards Waltham Abbey. Okay? That roundabout, you've done good, which is good, yes. Third exit, that's fine. Coming all the way up to the McDonald's, you pass McDonald's, the other roundabout, second exit, that was good. This roundabout just now, when the Satnav say something, immediately mirror signal. You don't have to go immediately. So check your mirrors, who's behind you, signal right, yes, then see if the car behind you slow down. It doesn't mean if you're signaling you immediately go, no. So mirror, signal, maneuver. So check your mirrors, signal and wait. See what they're gonna do. If they stay back, watch the body language of the car. If they stay back, then you can go. If not, then you slow down, allow them to overtake you. So when you're overtaking, when you change lane, either you go slow or either you go fast. It depends on the situation of that situation at that moment, at that time. Does that make sense? So there, the car, so you check this mirror, you didn't check this mirror. So always make decision prior to the flat mirror. That's more accurate, because you're checking the side mirror, that's show you further away, and you think, oh, the car's far away, let me change, and the car was very close, and that's why I have to intervene there. Does that make sense? Good. What did you learn from that?
To make sure I always check my, is this what mirror is
Middle
it?
mirror.
Middle mirror, for switching lanes, and not just judge car lets you go,
Yeah.
and then move when it's safe to do so.
Good. And what about the signaling?
Signal. Signal after I check my mirrors.
Yes. Yeah, a few times you signal too early, and a few times when you're finished with a signal, you haven't cancelled it.
Yeah.
So to make sure once you're finished,
Always
yeah,
cancel.
make sure the car is straight, make sure the wheel is straight. Then don't leave the signal on. Yeah. What would be the risk if you leave the signal on?
It would confuse the other drivers.
Yeah. Absolutely. Makes sense?
Yeah.
Good. So now, going forward now. moving
Thanks
from
for
here,
watching. Please
you
like,
need any
share
help on a
and
support
subscribe.
for me.
No.
Okay. So can I leave you responsible?
Yeah.
Good. Get the car ready, please. Let's go.